Man! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck Get out of my fucking city! But the thing is, get out of my fucking city! Hey, fuck you! What fucking freedom have you lost? What freedom have you lost? Tell me a freedom you've lost! I lost my mind because I haven't slept in 5 fucking days!
Then it stops when the government lifts the mandates.
You fucking idiot! The mandates are provincial, not federal! The mandates, if you're mad about wearing a mask or getting a fucking vaccine, go talk to Doug Ford.
Okay, well, you know what?
The fucking Prime Minister has nothing to do with this.
Actually, he does.
Do you know anything about civics?
Yes, I do, because didn't the federal government make vaccine mandates for all federal employees?
No,
and all federal...
It's a requirement for your fucking job.
Yeah, exactly. That's part of the mandate, man. The honking will continue until freedom improves. Simple as that. Simple as that.
Fuck you.